class. Hello everyone. Hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and kamagani to all of you. Welcome to today's class, and as you all know, this is your NCERT series for grade 9, and today we are doing exercise 1.5, question number 3 and 5 we are going to discuss today. So NCERT exercise 1.5, page number 24, okay, and the question number 3. Recall, pi is defined as the ratio of the circumference, say C, of a circle to its diameter, say D. Okay. That is, pi is equal to C upon D. Okay, no problem. Pi is equal to C upon D. Got it. Then what? This seems to contradict that pi is irrational. Acha, why it is contradicting? Can you resolve this contradiction? But question is saying कि pi you told me it is irrational, है ना? But here I am representing this pi in the fractional form p by q form, right? I am representing this pi in p by q form. So how can you say यार pi तो देखो pi you write as 22 by 7 also, but then you told me कि okay sir it is approximate value, not exact value, approximate value. But pi is exactly written as circumference upon diameter, right? Now what you will say, it is p by q form, it is p by q form, it should be rational. The हल्का सा part, जो हल्का सा mistake है बेटा, remember in p by q form for rational numbers, when you write p by q form, p and q must be integers. क्या होना चाहिए? p and q must be integers. अब here बेटा pi is your irrational number. Okay, so when you multiply pi with the diameter, you get your circumference, right? Na? Correct. If I shift this d over there, pi into diameter is circumference. Now, if pi is irrational and diameter is some rational number, so an irrational number into a non-zero rational number. If it is 0, then the answer is irrational, but an irrational number with a non-zero rational number, the answer is always irrational, right? So I can say this C, circumference of a circle, is always an irrational number. If you will find out the exact value for the circumference of a circle, it is always irrational. So pi is not integer upon integer form. Pi is some irrational number upon some rational number. D is some rational number. Okay, so I can say sir this is not p by q form because c is not integer. ठीक है, तो it is not p by q form because circumference itself is circumference itself is irrational. So irrational upon rational number is always irrational only. खत्म, बात होगी खत्म. What else? Got it? So this is how you get it. So the misconception here is the contradiction, the misconception you were getting because you thought that circumference is also an integer. Circumference of a circle is never an integer since pi is irrational and pi into d give you circumference. So pi into d will always be an irrational number. So circumference is irrational, so you cannot write it as integer form. Got it? That is why this contradiction was occurring. Okay, sure. Let's go for the next question. Next question, rationalize the denominators of the following. Now this is the rationalization part, and as you all know, whenever we need to rationalize, we have suppose 1 by root 7. So whenever I do the rationalization, I always focus on the denominator. Denominator is root 7. What I can do to make it rational? So multiply with root 7. So it will become 1 into root 7 is root 7 upon root 7 into root 7 is 7. So root 7 upon 7 is the form. Okay, second part is 1 by root 7 minus root 6. Now when there is a combination of this a plus b, a minus b, this kind of denominator is there. In that case, always remember beta, in denominator you will create a plus b into a minus b form. So here you have a minus b form, so multiply with a plus b to both the numerator and denominator. So numerator will become root 7 plus root 6 whole divided into 1 is same thing, whole divided by, देखो it is a minus b into a plus b, which is a square minus b square, right? We know this identity. Correct? So because of this, I know root 7 plus root 6 I have got. Root 7 whole square is 7 minus 6, which is equal to 1. So root 7 plus root 6, which is equal to root 7 plus root 6. So देखो, it is not like that the number has changed. Rationalization does not mean number has changed from irrational to rational. No. Rationalization only means that denominator has been rationalized. Only the denominator has become rational. देखो, earlier denominator was irrational. Now denominator is a rational number. That is called rationalization. Okay, next part देख लो बेटा. Third one is 1 upon root 5 plus root 2. So here if I have a plus b, now I will multiply with a minus b. Oh, sorry. Now I am going to multiply with a minus b. Okay. So root 5 minus root 2, and here also root 5 minus root 2. So it will give me 1 into root 5 minus root 2 is same thing upon root 5 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Okay, so I am writing the next part over here. So it will become root 5 minus root 2 divided by root 5 whole square is 5 minus root 2 whole square is 2. So final answer is root 5 minus root 2 upon 3. Got it? So here again you can see the denominator which was irrational now has become rational. Okay, so root 5 minus root 2 upon 3. Next part, 1 upon root 7 minus 2. So again a minus b is present, so I will say a plus b, a plus b. Okay, so I can say it will be equal to root 7 plus 2 upon root 7 into root 7, root 7 minus 2 into root 7 plus 2, a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So it will be root 7 plus 2, root 7 whole square is 7 minus 2 square is 4. So root 7 plus 2 whole divided by 3, as simple as that. So this is how you rationalize it. Always remember, if there is a single rational number, suppose if it is in this form, so multiply with root a upon root a only. And if it is in this form, root a plus b, so multiply it with the other part, root a minus b, to both the numerator and denominator. And if it is minus here, then multiply with plus. Got it? This is how the rationalization will work. Okay beta? So this is all in today's class. I hope सबको मजा आएगा, मजा आया होगा. ओके, तो ये है बेटा लिंक. तुम्हारे को अगर वेदांतु में आके सब्सक्रिप्शन ज्वाइन करके लाइव क्लासेस में आना है और पढ़ना है, गो टू दिस लिंक. आफ्टर गोइंग टू दिस लिंक, यहाँ पे ना देखो 1 मंथ, 3 मंथ और 6 मंथ का अपॉर्चुनिटी है तुम्हारे पास में. ठीक है, तो 1 मंथ, 3 मंथ, 6 मंथ में से कुछ भी एक चूज कर सकते हो. ओके, आई वुड सजेस्ट कि 6 मंथ्स के साथ जाओ, वो ज्यादा इजी रहेगा. एंड 6 मंथ्स लोगे ना तो प्राइस पर मंथ भी बहुत लेस पड़ेगा, बहुत कम होता है वो, है ना. वन मोर थिंग कि बेटा व्हेन यू विल अप्लाई द कूपन कोड, यहाँ पे ना GP Pro लगाओ. GP Pro लगाते ही बेटा तुमको 15% ऑफ मिल जाएगा फ्लैट, जो भी प्राइस है उसके ऊपर, है ना. तो एक बात याद रखना कि ये जो प्राइस दिखा रहा हूं ना बेटा 6 मंथ्स और ये सब कुछ, ये सारी प्राइस दे इंक्लूड, इट इज नॉट ओनली फॉर मैथ्स. ऐसा मत सोचना कि सिर्फ मैथ्स के लिए नहीं. This is for physics, chemistry, biology, maths, SST and English, all the subjects. Got it? So this is the link to register and this is your coupon code for 15% off. Got it? So this is all. Thank you so much. I hope all of you enjoyed the class. Thank you so much. If you have loved the class, don't forget to like the video, share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel. I, Gopal Paliwal, will see you soon. Till then, bye bye. Khuda Hafiz. Sayonara. Bye bye.